Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LBM Public School and this school situated in Kola Bazar. In today class second, we are going to learn topic multiplication, understanding multiplication, and in this topic we will learn today multiplying by 0 and multiplying by 1. Okay, firstly that is topic is understanding multiplication. Topic is understanding multiplication. The topic is understanding multiplication. That chapter is continued and we will discuss about on this topic what is multiplication, and there are some rules also. We will discuss about them, and the rules are: first one is multiplying by 1, multiplying by 0. Okay, you know that when we multiply a number by 0, the answer is always 0. Okay, if you multiply when a number is multiplied by 0, so let's talk about it and discuss about it. There are 3 flower pots in Sakshi's house. There are 3 flower pots in Sakshi's house. And how many flowers are there in the pots? Okay, so there are 0 plants in each plant. Okay, so the multiplication fact will be 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 flowers, and you know that there are 3 groups of 0 flowers, so that will be multiplication fact will be 3 multiplied 0 is equal to 0. So you can say that when you multiply any number by 0, the answer is always 0. Once again listen carefully. When you multiply any number by 0, the answer is always 0. Okay. So now come on topic multiplying by 1. When we discuss about multiplying by 1, you know that Sakshi has put 1 flower in each pot. Sakshi has put 1 flower in each pot, and now the addition fact will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 flowers, because there are 3 groups of flowers. There are 3 groups of pots. There are 3 groups of flowers, you can say. And in each group there are 1 flower, so the multiplication fact will be 3 multiplied 1 is equal to 3 flower. 3 is the number of groups and 1 is the number of flower in each group. Okay, so now we will discuss about there are another way to write multiplication sums, and also we will solve exercise 4.5. So come on exercise 4.5, that is exercise 4.5. Exercise 4.5 we will discuss about today on this topic, exercise 4.5, and also we will learn how we can multiply numbers. Okay, so let's come on question. Use multiplication table. Question number 8. Use multiplication table. Use multiplication table. Use multiplication table to fill in the blanks. To fill in the blanks. Okay. Use multiplication tables to fill in the blanks. Now come on question. First one is 7 multiplied 2. You know that 7 2s are 14. Okay, 7 2s are 14. Second one is 3 multiply 5. 3 multiply 5. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15. 3 5 is 15. And question number 3 is 6 multiply 10. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 40, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54, and 6 10 is 60. Okay. Now come on the next question, and the next one is that is question number 4, and fourth one is 4 multiply 2. 4 multiply 2. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. And next one is question number 5. Next one is 5 multiply 2. 5 multiply 2. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. And next one is 9 multiply 5. Question number 6 is 9 multiply 5. 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 2 is 27, 9 2 is 26, 9 5 is 45. 9 5 is 45. Okay. Now let's solve next question. Question number 7 and question number 8. Question number 7 is, that is 6 multiplied 2. 6 multiplied 2. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. And next one is 4 multiplied 5. 4 multiplied 5. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 60, and 4 5 is 20. Okay. Now come on the next question, and the next question is, now come on the next question, and the next question is question number B is multiply. Multiply. Okay, multiply. Question number 1 is 3 multiply 2. 3 multiply 2, that is ones and that is tens. 3 2 is 6. 6 ones. 3 multiply 2 ones is equal to 6 ones. Second question is that is 6 multiply 5. 6 multiply 5. 5 multiply 6, that is 5 multiply 6 ones is equal to 30. Okay, 6 multiply 5, that is 30. Question number 3 is 9 multiply 2. 9 multiply 2. Ones cancel, 9 2s are 18. Okay. Question number 4 is the fourth one is, that is 7 multiply 2. 7 multiply 2. 7 multiply 2. 2 sevens are 14. Okay. Ones cancel. And fifth one is question number 5 is 7 multiply 5. 7 multiply 5, 35. 7 5s are 35. That is ones and that is tens. Question number 6 is 3 multiply 5. 3 multiply 5, that is 50. And this is ones and this is tens. Okay. Now come on the next question. And now the next question is, that is question number D. Question number C. Write T for true. Write T for true and F for false. F for false system. Okay. The first one is 7 times 5 is 45. 7 times 5 is 35. That is true, because 7 times 5 is 45. 7 5s are 35. That is true. Question number 2 is 4 groups of cat is 4 groups of 10 is 14. 4 groups of 10, that makes it 4 multiplied 10. Multiplication fact will be 4 multiplied 10 is equal to 14. So that is false, not 14, 40. Okay. So question number third is 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10 plus 2. That is 2 plus 2. 2 4 10, 4 2s are 8 and 10 to 12. Both are not equal. 10 multiplied. Both are not equal. Okay. So we can say that this is false. 4 multiplied. So this is false. Okay. Now come on the next question. That is question number 4. 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. Yes, that is true. Because 9 multiplied 2, that is 9 2s are 18. That is true. Now come on the question number 5. And the fifth one is 0 multiplied 2 is equal to 2. That's false, because when you multiply a number by 0, it becomes 0. The answer is 0. That is false. Fifth, sixth one is 10 multiplied 10 is equal to 110. That is false. Because 10 multiplied 10, 10 tens are 100. That is false. Now come on the next question. That is, now the next one is story songs. The next exercise is story songs. Story songs. That is exercise 4.6. Exercise 4.6. Story songs. Exercise 4.6. Solve these songs. Solve these songs. Solve these songs. The first one is Rihanna collected rupees 10 coins if she has collected 10 such coins, then how much money does she have? How much money does she have? The question is Rihanna collects rupees 10 coins. If she has collected 10 such coins, how much money does she have? So here you know that Rihanna collects rupees 10 coins. So value of each coins is rupees 10. And also she has collected 10 such coins. Okay, so we have to find how much money does she have. So when we find how much money does she have, then we have to multiply rupees 10 by 10, because 10 is the number of, because first 10 is rupees 10 is the value of each coin, and second 10 is number of coins. Okay, so the multiplication factor will be rupees 10 multiplying 10 is equal to 10 times 100. That is rupees 100. First 10 is value of each coin, and second 10 is number of coins. Okay, now come on next question. That is question number 2. And the question number 2 is, there are 9 trees in a park. There are 9 trees in a park. There are 9 trees in a park, and if there are 2 monkeys on each tree, 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 how many monkeys are there in the park? How many monkeys are there in the park? You know that there are 2 trees in a park. There are 9 trees in a park. If there are 2 monkeys on each tree, how much monkeys are there in the park? Okay, so the number of trees, if you will find how many monkeys are there in the park, then you have to multiply 9 by 2. 9 is the number of tree, and 2 is the number of monkeys on each tree. So the multiplication factor will be 9 multiplied 2 is equal to 18 monkeys. Because first 9 is the number of trees, and 2 is the number of monkeys on each tree. Okay, so there are 9 groups, and 2 is the number of monkeys in each group. Okay, so the multiplication side will be 9 multiplied 2 is equal to 18. Thank you for watching the video. Keep continuing. Thank you. Bye bye.